Add like a little bit of fun there. A little bit of fun there. Yes, come on. So now do this. I want you to say this word. Happy birthday. Everybody good. Say it. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Now say to someone who stole your wallet. Happy birthday. Now say to someone that you just fell in love with and just proposed to you. Happy birthday. All right. Now say it to your 5-year-old child who loves Disney and is super excited about going to Orlando this fall. Ready? Go. I don't believe you. Let's try it again. Okay. Second verse, same as the first. Ready? Ready? This time, remember, 5-year-old child, super excited to go to Disney, and go. Whoa, I got one person using the body language. Anybody else? Let's try it again. One more time. Ready, set, go. Oh, you guys are getting good at this. I like you. All right. Pretty cool. Notice how using those 3 different tones, it changes what we mean. Right? So if I go to Josh over here, right, and I say, Josh, you did great. That sounds like I mean it, doesn't it? Notice how my pitch goes up at the end. Josh, you did great. Does that sound as good? What happened there? I'm being polite with my words, but I'm not really meaning it. You did great. See what just happened there? You did great. Big difference, right? So when we create that lilt at the end of our sentences, it creates a positive connection. Okay, you all can sit down now. Thank you. It's so good. You guys are so awesome at this. All right. So sit down right now. We're going to give you another 10 minutes on the clock. And we're now going to expand on this as talk to your teammate or to your group and talk about how you're going to say that speech. Can you incorporate your body language? Feel free to stand up, go to a corner, go to the middle, go over here, go over there, and start working on your body language, saying like, oh yeah, I remember the baseball game, the first pitch was right there. Boom, right? I remember when that quarterback threw the touchdown and he was all the way at the end zone. I remember when Greg Louganis jumped off the diving board and he hit his head. Ow, that hurts. Okay, talk about these things. Talk about different things that you can start to add some physicality into it. For some of you out there that you said earlier, you like to run, you like to bike, you like to swim. Okay, show us how you swim. Show us how you pedal. Show us how you run. I don't know. You tell me. Right? So go ahead. We got 10 minutes on the clock. Begin.